Hello, welcome to this video, mathematics. This is paper 2 type. We'll be doing pseudocodes and flowcharts known as computer and calculators. Now, in this video, we'll look at 2018 October-November exams, question 6b. If you have a mathematics paper, you can go through. So, question 1, the question says the program below is given in form of a pseudocode. So this is how a pseudocode is, and in case we are told to write a pseudocode, you should follow this order. Start, then enter. So in the previous video I said that the shapes that we can use for start is this. Others they say this, right? So those are the shapes that you can use for start. Then for enter, you use a parallelogram for input as well as for output. So this is for enter, and for stop use this. For input and output you use this. For a formula like m is equal to, for example, square root of b plus a, use a rectangle. For a suggestion where you have if and everything, use a diamond. So we can go into the question and answer it. So it says start. So we are starting with a circle. So say start. Then what next? They're saying enter x and y. So that's an input. So I'm going to enter now. Show an arrow and enter. Must be a parallelogram. So you say enter. Enter x and y. After we entered x and y, let m be equal to the square root of x squared plus y squared. So this is a processing. It's a formula, by the way. That's a formula. So you say, you show it by a rectangle. It's a formula. And that's saying let m be equal to, that's saying the square root. So I'm saying the square root of x squared. So in this case we are not going to say x squared. No, there is no such a thing in computer. So we are going to say x star x. All right, x star x. Sorry about that. Therefore you're saying plus y squared, it will be y star y. Is it clear there? I hope so. And saying if, now this is a suggestion, if m is less than 0, it's a suggestion. So we know that we're going to use a diamond. All right, so we're going to use a diamond. That's what we have here. So we have a diamond. Says if m less than 0. If, all right, I'm saying if m is less than 0, if you agree that yes, all right, it's less than 0, they're saying display error message m must be positive. So for display or for output you use a parallelogram. Parallelogram. So you write error message, then you say m must be positive, then you close the brackets. Nothing else has been taught, so you leave it like that. If they just leave it like that, if they just say like that what they have said, leave it like that. If they say and end, that means you have to wait until you stop. Now they're saying else, end if, then display. We have nothing to do here. They're saying that's end if and display. Or what you have to jump is come where it says display. And for display, you know that using a parallelogram. So we're going to write here display m. and they're saying stop, and for stop we know that we have to use a circle and we write this stop. So this it's just instructions that you have to follow as you are writing a flowchart. This question says start the flowchart below. Now here in this case, now we've been given a flowchart. How can you write a pseudocode? Write a pseudocode corresponding to the flowchart program above. So this is how you answer. You have to follow the order. First, they are saying start. Just instructions, start. You write your word start. Then you follow by enter. Then you say enter. Enter what? Enter R. When you enter R, what happens? It's a suggestion now. They're saying is, so you write now is R less than 0. If it's yes, you say then. Alright? You say then display error. Alright? They are saying then you open error must be positive. Okay? Else means if it's not yes, what happens? Else A is equal to. Now in computer, never write this over. No, we use a forward slash for division. So I'm going to say 1/2. We're doing this part here to be 1/2. Then you can copy it the way it is. There's no problem. So r times r, you know that is r squared. So you're going to open brackets for multiplication. Then you say r squared. Then again you have just copy sine theta like that. Brackets, they mean multiplication in computer. Then what else? And if, because we're now ending. And if, now we are displaying the what? The area. Display area. Then stop. Just writing what is here. That's all. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in part 2 of computer. For now, that's what you have. I'll see you in the next video. I'm Previous the Tutor.